And in this video I'll be explaining how you can use Leonardo AI. For that, open your browser and search for leonardo.ai. So this is the home page. On left you will see a number 150. So that is the number of tokens that you have to create your images. So you will get 150 tokens each day. If you want to buy a premium, then click on upgrade and you can choose what is best for you. The next is community feed. Here you will see the images created by Leonardo creators. Choose an image and here you will see the prompt used to create the image. You can also see the negative prompt used here and also the fine-tuned model, which is important when we create an image. Next is personal feed. Here you will see all the images that you have created so far. The next is training and datasets. This is for more advanced features. You can create new datasets and train your model. Next is future models. These are the inbuilt models which you can use to generate images in any particular style. Next is AI image generation. This is the place where we will be creating the images. We will come to that later. Now let's go to AI canvas. Here you will edit the images that you have generated using AI. Let's generate an image. Here you will see the number of images that you want to create at a time. Next is image dimension. Choose any dimension that you want to generate your image in. By guidance scale, you can choose how strict you want to be with your prompt. Now let's generate an image. Let's write pirate ship in space with Canon. Once you type in your prompt, you can choose your fine-tuned model. And choosing a fine-tuned model is really important because the image that you generated will be based on the fine-tuned model that you have used. So choose your fine-tuned model wisely. Then you can add negative prompt if you want. You can type in what things you don't want in your images. I will turn that off for now and just click on generate. So instantly you can see the image has been generated. As you can see, the images doesn't look good, and it is completely because of the prompt that I used. You have to use your prompt carefully, and more detailed prompt will give you more detailed images. And choose the best fine-tuned model for your image. That's it for this video. If you want us to cover something next, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.